In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature with a logo, an image, and links. A personalized email signature is a professional way to include your contact information, role, and branding in each email you send. Adding elements like a logo or links can enhance your signature, making it a useful tool for both professional and personal correspondence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the gear icon. This will open your settings menu. From there, click on See All Settings at the top of the menu. This will take you to the complete settings interface where you can access all customizable features of Gmail. Once in the settings menu, click on the General tab if it isn't already selected. Scroll down until you see the Signature section. Here, you'll find the option to create your new signature. Click on Create New to begin. A prompt will appear asking you to name your signature. Choose an appropriate name that will help you identify it later, especially if you plan to use different signatures for different purposes. With the signature named, you're ready to add your personalized content. In the large text box, you can start typing your name, title, company, and any other information you'd like to include. This is also where you can insert images, such as your company logo. To do this, click on the image icon from the toolbar above the text box. You can upload images directly from your computer or by providing a URL if the image is hosted online. Now let's add links. To include a clickable link in your signature, highlight the text you want to link, then click on the link icon. It looks like a chain from the toolbar. Enter the URL you want to link to in the prompt that appears and click OK. This is particularly useful for linking to your website or a social media profile. After you've crafted your signature to your satisfaction, take a moment to apply any additional formatting, such as adjusting text sizes, fonts, or colors to match your brand style or personal preferences. This customization can make your emails look more polished and visually appealing. Once you're happy with your signature, make sure you select it as the default for new emails and replies by using the drop-down menus in the Signature Settings section. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to ensure all your new settings are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail signature with a logo, image, and links. This step will make a significant difference in how your emails are perceived, projecting a professional image and providing recipients with useful contact information. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below this video and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.